butter. That literally just looks like a cup of butter. Hi guys, it's Saturday, December 2nd, and ooh, why did I say it like that? It's December 2nd, and I'm about to go into Bath & Body Works because it's candle day. I'm gonna get some candles. I'm just getting a couple candles. I think my grandma's gonna have me pick her up some candles too. But for me, myself, I'm not getting more than 4 candles, okay? We're keeping it very simple. But I can't miss it on candle day. Candle day, like, they're $9. So we're gonna go in there. And then I have to stop at Sam's Club, just at the gas station part of Sam's Club because I need to get some gas. And then I have to pick up an order from Target. And then we're gonna go home. And I gotta film a video for Vlogmas. I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and going through that. So we're gonna film that for Vlogmas. But yeah, so let's go ahead and go into Bath & Body Works. Oh, is there a line? There's a line. I said there's literally a line. I did not film in Bath & Body Works because, as you guys saw, there was a line and there were so many people in there. I was getting so much anxiety. I just needed to get up out of there. I was also shopping for my grandma and she just was not paying attention to anything I was saying. Let's show you what I got. I love candles, but I'm like a very simplistic type of scent person. I love vanillas, I love woods, I love musk. All that sweet stuff I'm not really into. So the candle selection was not the best for me personally. But so I got, as I say, I don't like sweet stuff. I got cinnamon spice vanilla, which this smells really good. This has cinnamon, sugar crystals, something that I can't pronounce, and vanilla bean. I got one of these, and then I got 2 of these for my grandma. I also got coffee and whiskey, which is a White Barn. This is one of their White Barn ones. I love these candles, okay? Like, it just looks so clean and minimal. I just wish all of the candles came in something like this. But this is bold whiskey, splash of vanilla with a hint of coffee. This is like my jam. I love stuff like that. I honestly should have got 2 of those. I probably will go back and get another one. And of course I got a mahogany teak wood. This is OG. This is my favorite. I realized that I can't do the mahogany teak wood intense. That just like messes with my allergies. So I just stick with the regular. I'll probably go. It was funny when I was leaving, the lady was like, see you tomorrow. I was like, girl, you're not seeing me again. But she might, because I may go back and get another one of the coffee and whiskey, because this smells, yeah, this smells really good. This is what it looks like. Maybe I should just go back in there now. There's way too many people. I'm gonna go to, should I go back in there? No. That's okay. I don't need any more candles. If I decide that I need any more candles and I get myself out of bed and out of the house, then I deserve the candle, but I'm not much to go back in there. But now I'm about to head to Sam's Club because I need to get some gas. And then we're going to pick up our order from Target and head home so we can get started on the video. Okay, so I just got back. I want to show you what I got from Target. So I picked up the clay mask. I have not used this in a long time and this stuff is really good, so I got it. We're gonna do it at home spa day. This is my favorite sheet mask, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. We're gonna use that, and then I also got some eye patches, so I'm gonna film a video on like an at-home spa day. I got some popcorn because I am almost out and I gotta keep popcorn in the house. It's like my favorite snack. When I made this order, I really wanted some mac and cheese. I don't really want mac and cheese anymore, so I guess I'll just have it in there. And I got a pack of cookies because I love keeping cookies in the house. I can just like make me one whenever I want. I want to try and make like my own recipe. I saw on TikTok a lady was like, a hosting tip is to keep like pre-made cookies in your freezer. so that you can bake them when you have guests coming over and your house always smells like fresh baked goods. So I want to try and make my own actual cookie dough that I can freeze and just have. But until I work up the courage to try and start baking, the Toll House cookies will do. Hi guys, it's now the evening. I am already slacking on the Vlogmas content. I was supposed to go to the lighting of Lakewood tonight to vlog that, and I was asleep. I was knocked out. I'm so tired. That's why I'm so excited to be off of work this week. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to go out and we're just gonna vlog the night. So I would think, I don't know for sure what we're gonna do. Going to the Christmas bar, but I don't know. I'm going somewhere. So we're getting ready. Just got out the shower. Now I'm just about to do some makeup. I feel like I want to do like full face tonight. I think I'm wearing my denim skirt and some boots. Make sure my face is really hydrated. But I am in the mix of watching All Rise. I'm like loving that show. I'm salty it got canceled. I always find shows after they get canceled. Like they just aired the season finale, the series finale in November. So I literally just started watching at the end of November and ended like in the middle of November. So I'm on the last season now and it's really good. Like I really like the premise of the show. And I'm salty it got canceled. Although it originally got canceled after the second season and then OWN picked it up. And when OWN picked it up, they changed the husband on the show. And I love, okay, first off, the first husband, he was fine. Okay, he was fine. He was dark chocolate, he was fine. And the new husband is also fine. Okay, that man is fine. If you guys have seen like the old Medea plays, like the old bootleg Medea plays, he's in one of those. And who is it? Is it Medea or is it who, I can't remember her name. Mrs. Brown. It's either Medea or Mrs. Brown. Is it Mrs. Brown? I don't know. One of the older ladies on the show, she says to him like something about let me do something while I lay on your cross, because he has this big cross tattoo.
Wait a minute. Is that a cross?
Yeah.
That is a cross. Hallelujah. Hey, can I twist your locks? Ooh, while laying on your cross.
And that man is so fine. I think his name is Christian. I don't know. But that man is fine, okay? And now he plays a new husband. And while he is fine, I think he's a really great actor. And I need him to be like more mainstream because I think he's really great and he has the look. But the way that they changed the character, I'm not really liking. Like the character, he's an FBI agent, okay? And she was in LA, he was working in DC, so they were separate until she got married. I don't want to tell you guys the whole show, but I pretty much just told you. Anyways, and he ended up taking a leave of absence from the FBI, from the bureau, so that he can stay at home and raise the kid for a little bit while she went back to work because she's a judge. And now it's just like, he just has like this, he's in the process of going back to the bureau now that the baby's a little bit older. I think she's like 3 months or something. So he's getting ready to go back to the bureau. And just the way that he's going back, it's just like the dynamic is different and it's weird and I don't like it. I don't like the angle that they're playing with their marriage right now. I don't know. I'm just not really vibing with it. And I don't like the change that I feel like they made a big change to who the character is when they made the actual recast. So, but I'm watching that now. I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna film myself getting ready for you guys. Be most likely a voiceover.
stranger key till we get over. Yeah. On the third day of Christmas, we got out in our feelings. Said I loved you a minute. Hey, you. And if I be committed, anytime we could get it, is there one I know?
My camera died in the middle of me getting ready, but I finished my makeup. My outfit did not go as planned, so literally just wearing t-shirts and a jeans, and I have on these boots. But we are on our way out. Hot butter. That literally just looks like a cup of butter. It smells like cinnamon butter. Makeup. So I ended up going to the casino Christmas bar and then went over to Miracle on 4th Street again at Society Lounge there last week. I ended up getting an old fashioned instead of like a Christmas drink. It was still a Christmas drink though. It was the old fashioned, a snowball old fashioned, so it had gingerbread in it, but it was really good. So, and I'm just gonna use my Garnier water to remove my makeup. I'm gonna try and keep my lashes on. Usually I take my lashes off when I do it this way, at least like the strips, but I'm gonna try and see if I can keep them on. I have new neighbors, people I think that live, they don't live directly above me. I think they live above and over, are partiers, okay. So they are playing music and vibing out while they're listening to Travis Scott. I think it's the song with Tesla Touchdown. I fucking love Tesla Touchdown. Oh my god. We were talking about our raps for this year because I have Apple Music and I have Spotify. Apple Music is pretty much what I use in general, but I also have Spotify because then I can put on my Fire TV, and so that's usually what I play like when people come over and I just put music on the TV. So I have both. I only have both because I get a student discount, so the price I would pay for one is how much I pay for both. So but yeah, like I said, you can put the Spotify on the Fire TV. Well, I can't do that for Apple TV, Apple Music. Now I'm gonna go in my, what is it, the Inky List, and this is the Oat Cleanser Balm. When I wear makeup, I just got this, and I'm not like a huge fan of the smell, but it is a really good cleanser. So whenever I have on when I have a makeup I need to wash off, I like to go in and cleanse with this first, and then I'm gonna follow up with either my Murad or what is it, Survey cleanser. So tonight I'm gonna go in with the Oak cleansing balm, and then I'm gonna do this to double cleanse. I was talking about my Spotify Wrapped. I was saying we were going over our Spotify Wrapped, and everybody was talking about how Drake is like their top person. And Drake was #1 on my Spotify, and he was #2 on my Apple Music, which it makes sense for him to be #1 on my Spotify. Because like I said, I only play that on my TV, and I usually play that when like people come over. So I can get why he's on there, because usually when people come over, I just put on like a playlist that's curated by Spotify, and Drake is usually on those playlists. And I really played the heck out of the 21 Savage and Drake album. Like I play that. That's like a go-to for parties. I'm gonna take out my contacts. But I was surprised by him being #2 on my Apple Music, because my Apple Music is what I constantly use to listen to music. And I played the heck out of Kali Uchis, okay? Like I play the heck out of Red Moon, Venus and Red Moon, whatever her new album was called. And she was like #8 on my list with my Witch Hazel. But I said, I know I played a whole bunch of Kali Uchis compared to Drake, and I don't understand how he was #2. Then when I was looking at my like top songs for the year, only Drake's song on the list was, but the only song that was on the list from Drake was Search and Rescue. Out of the whole playlist, it has like 80 songs for the year, like my top played songs for the year. And the only freaking Drake song on that list was Search and Rescue. I know I did not play Search and Rescue enough for that man to be #2. Like I played the song a lot, but I did not play it that much for him to be #2 on the list. So something is not adding up. But we were talking about how a lot of songs are featured with Drake. So that could be why. But I don't understand why he was #2 on my Apple Music. And I'm a Drake. I love Drake. I do. But it doesn't make sense for there not to be more than one song of him on my top songs. The whole Kali Uchis album is on there. The whole Don Toliver album's on there. A freaking bunch of Paramore songs are on there, because I was listening to Paramore like crazy preparing for the concert. A bunch. Lucky Day. 2 of Lucky Day's albums is on there. 2 of Victoria Monet albums is on there. And there's literally 1 song from Drake. So I don't get it. I'm gonna go ahead in with my overnight treatment for Murad. This is a retinol treatment. How that happened. See what next year looks like. But now that my skincare is done, I'm going to bed. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload, because there's a new video coming tomorrow for the next day of Vlogmas. So I'll see you guys then.